What goes on the inside of a bespoke coat? Welcome back here in the workshop after a nice holiday, I have to say. A lot of people keep asking when they see a bespoke garment like this, what all these basting marks are. Well, it's part of the construction. Basting is the canvas and everything. This is called a floating canvas, and it moves, you see. As you wear it, it can adapt and move, but it needs to be relatively free. And these hold it in place until it's completed. You will find out if you look around on the internet, body canvases, padding, all sorts of things. But what does it actually mean? What does it mean, all of this stuff? Well, dear Molly's working on this job here, and I thought I would point it out to you. And the differences, okay? Bespoke tailoring is like handwriting. Could have said it achieves the same effect, but it can be vastly different. So a classic part of it is the padding of the lapels. We pad the lapel by hand in such a way that the lapel always wants to roll back. Okay, it's a lovely soft roll, gives it a bit more body. We put this many stitches in. How many stitches is that? I don't know. It's about that many. Some people do a lot more stitches, a lot smaller, a lot tighter. Some people do less, but very few do less. But most people do more than that. We like this because it works, because it keeps it soft. The reality of it is you can do stunning workmanship inside, lots and lots of stitches. Great, lots of effort, lots of time. But what it does is it'll tighten a coat. It'll just tighten it. And you get a different garment. You get a different garment, and we don't like to do that. So sometimes we have to say, look, we love the workmanship, we love what you're doing, but you need to soften that a little bit, because that's what makes soft hand tailoring. So thanks for watching, and I hope that little snippet was useful for you, and keep an eye on us and you might learn a few other things.